Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone dealing with specific Toshiba printer models. The replacement parts for printer PRTA 361586LJ603660 Fuser Thermistor, designed for machines like the Toshiba 2051C, 2551C, 2050C, and 2550C. This little part plays a massive role in your printer's performance, specifically within the Fuser unit, which is responsible for bonding toner to paper. If your prints are coming out faded, smudged, or you're getting error codes related to heating, a faulty thermistor could very well be the culprit. Now, before anyone rushes to click Add to Cart, there's a really important detail that needs to be understood up front. This product comes with a unique condition. You might receive an original refurbished part or a compatible new one, and it's sent completely at random. The seller explicitly states that if you mind this variability, it's best not to order. This is a significant point for potential buyers to consider. An original refurbished part means it's a genuine Toshiba component that has been restored to working order, potentially offering the exact specifications and longevity of an OEM part. A compatible new part, on the other hand, is brand new but manufactured by a third party to meet the original specifications. Both options aim to get your printer back up and running, but the distinction in origin and condition is something to weigh based on individual preferences and expectations. Beyond the condition, the seller also provides some critical advice that cannot be overstated. It's absolutely essential to carefully check the item's appearance, size, and color, and then compare it meticulously with your original part before placing an order. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity to ensure perfect fit and function. The model numbers provided, such as 2051C or 2551C, are primarily for reference. The real key to compatibility lies in matching the physical appearance, and most importantly, the part number. If the item doesn't look identical to your original part, or if the part number doesn't match, it's strongly advised not to proceed with the purchase. This level of detail is crucial for printer components, where even slight variations can lead to installation headaches, or worse, damage to your machine. This particular Fuser thermistor operates at 220 V, which is standard for many office printers in regions using that voltage. The package content is straightforward. You receive one piece. So, for those experiencing Fuser-related issues with their Toshiba 2051C, 2551C, 2050C, or 2550C, this replacement thermistor offers a potential solution. Just remember to heed the warnings about the random condition and the vital need for careful comparison with your existing part. Doing your homework up front will save a lot of potential frustration down the line and help ensure a smooth repair process for your valuable printer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.